Welcome to my YouTube channel. Infinity Rankers na adom butaram noksari. Channel asibu growth tobada mayamgi mateng ijari mayam support tobiramu. Channel asibu subscribe tobiramu, like nambiramu, comment pibiramu. Mya asoiba aranba yauragasu mayam na chumthokpiu suggestion pibiramu. Mathangi video singta asoiba sing semthoknabagi khudongchaba pibiu haijari. Ngasi aina mu tawdisina kaino ngarangi dugi makha. Ngarang kay dogre present da passive voice te conjugate to group natro it phapta adu ngasi na tawdisina past mu tawdini past ta magi kamaina lei haiba niyom do adum ta ake khai go yengo kamaina lei ge di yengasi ham da tawdise past irage ko active voice passive voice ni ko si jo passive voice ta past tense ta ko affirmative odini ko affirmative affirmative ta conjugation tawdini aduga kai mathang da kino tawdise past tense past tense se kai hade simple past haraga su khangnai past indefinite haraga su khangnai mi maming ani thon dum ni ko adu de aina past indefinite haraga past na han i ko indefinite haraga sida ju kai dore mamanga legi du mana hom khok lai ne ba maramdi nga mamang dadi active voice dadi kai tare mari leitra adu past kanu dadi passive voice di ani ahum khak lai gane ba ko kai kaino yengase haje ham da idai se kaino si kaktal se hana niyom da hana igisi mathang da idai se kaino subject plus kaino da was natraga where harakane ba aduga be3 harakane siji ingane past indefinite one kangi ko yantai ko sa adu taragadi hairage bam ham bade idai se kaino subject I natro I hapagi I hairaga I dadi was hydro I was itan hairane v3 ni dagi we where itan hairane ko mathang da you where itan ko adagi you where itan hairane suma dadi dadi he dadi haibam metro he dadi akoina was sizna gidana he was itan hairane hairane kitang samjalake mathangi future gisu sigi kanu sida video sindang honaba ko they were itan hairane kan ko adagi mathang da past continuous like natro continuous tense sidadi kai igada ba haro subject plus sidaju was natraga where dum happen ba ko plus continuous na being hapo aduga b3 hapo my hapo ko was where si b3 hapani my hapani mathangda tadise kaino hamiro sub hamada kaina I dadi kai haige ba was have natro I was being eaten hairane ko adagi we dasu kaina we where we dadi where hai ko ai khatta chujalage ai future isu sigi kaino sida nang hongdaba ko future de ani khattani dana adui tongana semba yaro nunga roi ko you were being eaten hairane ko dagi again you were being eaten hairane samjalage ko adagi he dadi haiba metro he dadi was haidro he was being eaten hairani they daju kaino they were being eaten hairane adagi mathangda past perfect natro past perfect tadi kai dorani tense da niyom lei ko kai niyom no haiba tamda subject iradana plus have natraga has hairane ba head haigadaba soire head natraga head kaktang hairani sedadi have leitreba ko have natraga kaino dadi sidi head kaktang hairani mathang da kai dora had been hapa aneba ko had been haraga b3 harane mana yan ta ba se past indefinite ta mai I de ba subject plus kedorani subject plus had been naraga be3 haira ne ba ko se ka mai irani amo yang ase ahambada I la ni ko subject ti ada I had been ko itan haira ne samana adagi mathanda you we da ji kaina we da samana we had been itan haira ne yan tai ko sa adagi mathanda kaina you had been itan haira ne adagi you had been itan haira ne saman ka 3 da ju kaina he da ju kaina ni he had been itan haira ne they da di kaina they da saman they had been itan haira ne man sende khai ko sibudi yan tai ko hauji amuk tau te aina future je sigi video nang hona ba aina kitang tujan bani ko si khang draga hairo ko subject plus had been habni ko plus b3 ko passive to mu ya kano dong future mu irage ba future dadi ani khakta ne ba future dadi kano future indefinite natra indefinite sigi maming kai ko atopa maming kai ko ba simple future haiga ju khang na hab natro asi tinyo je kamai I kadege hab tamda subject hapedana shall natraga will hapane sida will haidana aduga plus b hapane sida aduga b3 hapane sida b3 khang ko sa sumai I dei ne ba yan dai ko sa adudi mathang da haide je kano ham de irage ko hamda subject cha I ladra I da shall hakinatro shall or shall hapane ko shall hapani ko aduga mathangda b hapo I shall be har b3 di kano itan haira ne suma adugi mathangda we da di chamana re we shall be kedarni itan haira ne suma khangi ko adugi mathangda ni subada you da di haibam laitro you da we da di will haira ne you da di will be itan haira ne adugi mathangda you will be itan haira ne sumana ka 3 da he da di haibam letro he da ju will haiba ko will that shall haide ko will be itan haira ne sumana adigi mathangda they da di samana they will be itan haira ne sumana yai ko amtang hayoge future indefinite ta kai da hareba subject plus shall or will ko plus b hapani aduga b3 hapane yan dai ko sa adugi mathangda aroi bida lai dei se mathangda kai doi ba perfect lai ge ne ba future perfect na thro to dei se future perfect to kamai igedagi habdu ahira ge ba future perfect natra perfect tense natra lai dei se future perfect tense ne ba adu niyom se kai doi ba subject plus ko shall or will happen to natro aduga plus kena have been haira ane have been haira ane aduga plus b1 b3 haira kane jadi basic voice the b3 di dum hapani ko sibodi yan tai ko aduga mathangda jese conjugate tok matam da kama haira ni hairo I da di shall hatro I shall ketore have been itan haira de adagi mathangda we da ju we shall have been itan haira de ka adagi mathangda tu da haji second person da you da di will have ko will have been itan haira de ka adagi you da di will have ko have been itan haira ne ba si have ni ko h a v e have b oi gre ko b man gre mathang da kai na he da di haibam letro he da ju chama he will have been eaten 하이라는 그러니까 they들이 they will have been eaten 하이라는 시복님을 이나 또